see their entrance. Turn around.
Wow.
When you have to clap.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, look at your shoes. You look beautiful.
Let's see some dancing.
Wow.
Good.
Oh.
Whoa! Very good, Kara.
If the flamenco dancers did that.
Do the cha-cha.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kara, you don't need to do gymnastics. No, not in those dresses. You'll rip them.
But I did a back dance.
Yeah.
Do your cha-cha, Kara. You know how to do cha-cha?
Uh-oh.
Without falling
Kara,
into
you
the toy
can
box.
snap. Can you snap your fingers?
Yes.
Like this.
Quinny, what do you think?
Do you like it?
There were boys doing the dance. Do you want to do the dance too?
No.
Good job, Kara. I like
You
that.
sure?
I want to do it.
Go ahead. You can.
You're not shy. We're not real dancers.
You're real dancers. You guys look beautiful. I really like
Wow,
these.
they're gorgeous. You look so pretty.
Good job, Kara.
Allison, what are you doing? I don't know.